To fix Cash App error code 503, start by understanding what the error means. The 503 error is a server error that indicates the Cash App servers are currently unavailable, often due to maintenance or high traffic. First, check the Cash App status on their official social media accounts or website to see if there are any known issues. If the issue is on their end, wait for some time and try again later. Next, try restarting the Cash App on your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Close the app, wait for a few seconds, and then reopen it to see if the error persists. Another step is to check your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable and working internet network. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to rule out any network-specific issues. Additionally, clear the Cash App cache and data on your device. This can help resolve any corrupted data that may be causing the error. To do this, go to your device settings, find the Cash App, and select the option to clear cache and data. If none of these steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Cash App. This will ensure you have the latest version of the app and can help resolve any underlying issues. It is also a good idea to check for any updates to your device operating system, as outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with the Cash App. Finally, if you have tried all these steps and the error still persists, contact Cash App support directly for further assistance. They can provide more specific guidance and help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cash App error code 503 and get back to using the app without any issues.